Hi guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you are not subscribed to me, make sure to click that subscribe button. Whoa, everything's falling. We've got tons of fun things on this channel, so you should subscribe and hang out with me. You know, it's fun. So today's video is another review and like tutorial and swatches and all that fun stuff of a new collection from MAC. This is the Get Blazed collection. So the collection is super glittery and just super fun for the festival season coming up and spring coming up. The sun's actually coming out. Well, unfortunately not today, but so that's what we're gonna do today. If you want to see swatches of the collection, then just keep on watching, but if you want to skip to this little simple glowy tutorial, then skip to the end. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, so here is the packaging for the Get Blazed collection. Super glittery, super pretty, like very pretty. The silver is similar to the Mariah Carey collection from a couple years ago, but it is super cute. So we have the two highlighters in two different shades. We have Dazzle Gold and we have Dazzle Pink. Then we have two Dazzle Drops. These are kind of similar to the Luster Drops if you're familiar with stuff from MAC. It comes in two different shades. We have Dazzle Peach. And we have Dazzle Pink. So I have all four shades of the Dazzle Pretty shadow. There are four other shadows. They're the Extra Dimension Foil eyeshadows. I'm going to insert a photo or some swatches of those for you guys right now so you can see what they look like since I don't have all four of them. The first shade that I have in the shadows is Joy 2. Then we have Put You on Gold, Glitz Please, and P for Pink. Then there's four different shades in the Bling Thing Liquid Top Coat. This is kind of like a little top coat for your lips. The first shade is Guilt Ridden. Then we have Love in a Bubble, Sweet Gleams, and Deliciously Disruptive. Then there's four shades in the Bling Thing Liquid Lip Color. These are like liquid lipsticks, but super glittery ones. First we have Purple for Haze, Disco Bell, Commotion Motion. This is definitely my favorite one. And the final shade is Hot Flash, or Hot Flash. So here are all of those toppers and liquid lipsticks.
Alright guys, we're going to start off with my Too Faced Hangover Primer and then my Milk Makeup Buller Stick for primers, the two basics that I always use. I'm going to use the Dazzle Drops from this new MAC collection and mix it in with my foundation from Tarte. It could have went like a shade darker, but we ended up making it work. I'm just going to blend this all over my entire face and then I'm going to conceal underneath my eyes and in all the highlight areas and just blend that out with a beauty sponge. Then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty powder and I'm just going to set everything with just a little brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using this Estee Lauder bronzer all over my face. This bronzer was from the Victoria Beckham collection. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I love the color of it. And I always do find myself using Estee Lauder bronzers. Then I'm going to use one of my favorite classic blushes. This is a Cargo blush. And then I'm going to use the gold highlighter from the Get Blazed collection. I'm going to dab it on the top parts of my cheeks. And then for the eyes, prime my eyes, set them with some concealer. And then I'm going to go into this art, I think it's called the Art Library palette from MAC. And it's in the warmer tones shade. I'm going to just use some colors to create like a transition, and then I'm using this beautiful gold from the collection and I'm just kind of patting it on and diffusing it out. I decided to just go with some mascara, so I'm curling my lashes and adding some Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara to my lashes. And then I'm going to take the shimmery white shade from that palette and just place it on the inner corners, my brow bone. And I also took a little bit of it to add to the highlight, just because the highlight did look a little yellow on me because I'm still kind of pale. I'm working on that. I'm then going to take the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, and then my favorite lip pencil from Urban Decay. I believe I used the Naked or Insanity. And then I'm going to take my YSL lipstick and then top it off with the Get Blazed collection piece that goes on top. Milk makeup on the brows, and that is it for this look.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much as always for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like collection reviews like these. If you guys want to get this collection, it launches all over North America, as the paper says here, on April 11th, which is this Thursday, if it's not Thursday already, if it wasn't Thursday already. So it launches on April 11th. Make sure to get your hands on some pieces of these because it's super glittery and I love it. I love it. As always, subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all my other videos on the side. Love you so much, and I'll see you guys soon.